Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project, online job portal, and I have developed this project in Java, JSP, and MySQL. And the version for the JDK I'm using is the JDK version 1.8, and the Tomcat version is 8. And you can use also Tomcat version 7 or Tomcat version 9. Also, MySQL version is 5.6 for connecting the MySQL with JDK and JSP. Means Java and JSP, I'm using the MySQL J connector, which you will get easily from the mysql.org website. You can set the class path using the MySQL jar, right? So this all server-side technology I have used for front-end development because it's a web-based project. So for front-end development, I'm using the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Some of the jQuery library also have used like form validations and calendar integrations. I have used many of the jQuery plugins, right, for giving some good effects inside this project, right? So let's start with the functionality go through. So the project title is online job portal, and it's a mini web-based DBMS, Java, JSP, and MySQL project. Mini project because it has only and only candidate login. There is no company login. There is no means admin login. There is no other login. There is only and only candidate login. Right? It's a mini project because that's why it's only have candidate login, right? So let's start with the functionality go through. So this is the home page of the project. You can see this is the simple home page, right? This is the about project, right? It's about the project, right? If you want to change the content, then just open the about.jsp and you can change the content there. This is the companies, all of the companies which has been added into the database, that will be displayed here, right? So you can see there are many of the companies available here. And if you want to see the job of any company, just click on that company icon and you will be able to see all of the jobs which has been posted by that company, right? You can see this is the list of jobs which has been posted by company. If you click on that job, then you will be able to get the information about that job. So you can see this is the information about the job. And if you want to apply for that job, just click on the login to apply, and after that you can apply for the job also, right? So I will explain you this later, right? This is a companies, right? This is all jobs, right? All of the jobs which have been posted by the admin means which is available in the database will be displayed here. This is a register, right? If you don't have the user ID and password, then you can't log inside the system and you can't apply for the job. This is a login from where you will be able to log inside the system, and after login you can apply the for the job. This is the click here for register. This is a contact us form. It's a static contact us form. I am not saving the value of this contact us form anywhere into the database. Even I am not sending any type of email and SMS from this page, right? So let me log in. So this is all jobs and I am going to apply for this job. So log in to apply. So the user ID is amit@gmail.com and password is text. So once you log in inside the system, let me explain you this process. After login, you will get the dashboard. So this is the dashboard, right? And this all menus option is available also available in the header bar. You can see after login, this header bar has been changed. This is all jobs, right? And this is my application. All of the applications for which you have posted will be displayed here, which you have applied will be displayed here. This is my account from where you will be able to update your account details and log out, right? So let me apply for some of the job, this one. So if you have applied, then you will get the message you have already applied for this job. Okay, so let me choose another job, this one. Okay, so once you click on the job details, if you don't have applied, then you can apply for here, right? Just click on the apply for this job and you can see that your application for the job has been submitted successfully, and this message is displaying here. Means you can't apply for the job two times, for a single job two times, right? You can only and only apply only one times, right? And it will be available in your my application section, right? This is a logout. So once you log out, then your session will be destroyed, and this menu is totally session driven, and it will be changed according to your session, right? So once you log out, you can see the session has been destroyed. But if you log in, then your session will be set and you will get the my account and my application menus here also, right? So this all functionalities I have developed inside this project online job portal. So, and it's a mini DBMS project developed in Java, JSP, and MySQL. If you need more functionality in this project, just put it into the comment. I will incorporate the changes. I will make this project more better and better according to your requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest projects videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.